We learn over and over again about all of these ways to make and earn money online. Well, some of them are listening to music, making your own website, sending pictures to certain websites, sending designs to platforms that can use them, writing articles, etc. We have like 1,000 different ways to make money online. In today's video, I'll show you a way to make money that isn't exactly new, but has been tried and true for a few years now. Most of what I say today will be about transcription. So transcription jobs have been on the list of ways to make money online for the last, 10 years or so. Now, I just want to point out these websites where you can make money by transcribing audio, video, and other file types. I'll also show you how to make the most money with the platforms I'll talk about today. I mean, think about it being able to meet your daily needs, which it probably will if you work at it. It will give you some freedom with your money. It will help you get by and help you save more money. I could even help you turn this into a way to make money while you sleep. First, though, we have to watch the whole video. By the way, anyone, anywhere in the world will be able to use this method. So you have no more reasons not to try this method. I mean, you won't have to do much for this method to work. You won't need a lot of people to follow or interact with you on social media. There's no need to sell anything. You won't need any special skills or technical knowledge. You just have to stay with me until the video is over. I'll show you every step of the way so that you can make money online like I have. My channel is here to help you guys who want to make money online and improve your finances as needed. Don't forget to get your own PayPal account so that these platforms can pay you without you having to do much. Just make sure to go to paypal.com as soon as possible and sign up for a free account. But before we start, welcome to MMO Girl, where we teach you the easiest way to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified when we post a new video about how to make money online. This way, you'll know about it and can start making things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be afraid to leave a comment if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts about it. Let's start off by going back to the video. I'll just talk about these platforms that I've used for a long time. Let's start with GetResponse.com. But before we go there, I want to tell you that the transcription process also involves proofreading. Don't worry though, because I'll show you other ways to make money through the websites I'm going to talk about. This is what their homepage looks like. Now, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the website, where it says for transcriptionists, and click Work there. When you click on it, it will take you to this video where they will talk about the job in more detail. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Let's go back to watching the video. You can also see how much money you might be able to make. You can earn up to a lot of money per minute of audio or video, which is great. All you have to do is write down the words you hear on an audio or video file. For someone who transcribes a file once a week, the average monthly income would also be a useful number. You could also get rich by transcribing 1 or 2 audio or video files per week. As you can see, the highest monthly earnings are over $1,000. This is great because you don't have to do any work, but you can still make over $1,000 with this method. These are all the things that this website has to offer. All the reasons why you should work with them to get paid, and get paid weekly through PayPal for all work done, so you don't have to wait months to get paid. Every week, your payments can be sent straight to your PayPal account. The best part is that you can do these transcription jobs from the comfort of your own home. Click on Apply now to move forward. You can start with GetResponse.com and make an account there. Just give them the information they need to process your account, and you'll be able to start making money online with the transcription jobs you'll be getting. Before I move on to the next platform, I'll talk about the affiliate program, which is another thing that this platform has. Not many of you may know this, but GetResponse.com also has an affiliate program that gives out generous commission percentages. Check out the page where you'll sign up as an affiliate. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on this button. This will take you to their affiliate program page, where you can sign up and you'll be redirected there. Now that's cool on one website. On the next website, Squibby.com, you have 2 ways to make money. For the businesses and entrepreneurs who will come to us and pay us to transcribe their audio and video files. The main purpose of this website and how it will be used will be the same as the first website. You can join them and do transcription jobs, but you can also earn money through commissions and by telling other people about the site. Here, all you have to do is do the jobs that were given to you, transcribe a certain number of minutes, and you'll be paid a lot of money. Just click this button, give them your contact information and any other information they need, and voila, you can now get jobs on Scribby. To sum up, these platforms let you choose from a wide range of files. I'm getting excited to see how many typing jobs you'll get through this method. This is about money. Just make sure to put in a little work so that you can get what you sow. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get notified. Hit the like button and I'll see you in the next video.